Good morning, everybody. I am at work like I usually am, and I just want to show you real quick what I'm going to be having for breakfast and lunch today. For breakfast, you may have seen my video where I meal prepped 12 of these bad boys. These are breakfast sandwiches containing a whole wheat English muffin at 120 calories, 3 pieces of Canadian bacon. No, these have 2 pieces of Canadian bacon. That's 30 calories. 1 egg at 70 calories. And normally what I do is put a piece of Laughing Cow cheese on here, adding another 30 calories. I forgot my cheese today, so what I'm gonna do instead, just because I don't like it really dry after I microwave it, is put on 1/4 of an avocado, a large avocado, because I have one here that I'm working on, give me some healthy fats. So that is gonna be breakfast. And again, I will try to link the video down below where I meal prepped all these so you can see how that worked out. And then for lunch, it's super easy. It's gonna be leftovers. You did see this in one of my other videos. Oh, you know what? With that breakfast sandwich, I'm probably gonna eat an Activia black cherry, 90 calories, yogurt to go with it. Knowing me, because I drank pop, I'll probably have this Diet Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar go along with it. And for lunch, I have some, oh my God, this smells so good. Come on, lunch. Gives me something to look forward to today. All right. So I have some rotisserie chicken here. There's a little bit more in there than it looks like. It's about 4 ounces. Like they say, if you want to kind of guesstimate what 4 ounces is, it's about the size of a deck of cards. So that's what I was going for here. I have some green beans that I made the other day, and the best part is these fried potatoes with onions. Here's where all the smell's coming from. So that's gonna be breakfast and lunch. I'm gonna pepper in as much water as I can. There will be coffee at some point because there's always coffee. So stay tuned if you want to watch me take a bite of some of that. There will be dinner later, and that is gonna be something that's already meal prepped also, because all of our hard work in the beginning of the week and like over the weekend pays off later in the weekend when you get a nice little break. So those videos where I'm doing like meal prepping, all kinds of things through the week, there's a method to the madness. Anyway, stay tuned. It's time. So it's really like 7:45, and I try to hold out for a little bit sometimes, but today I'm just too hungry. So I just take it out of the baggie, wrap it in a paper towel, and microwave it for about a minute. I am gonna attempt to use a little bit of this avocado. You saw it yesterday in my video. It's a big one, with a plastic fork to get this out of here. We'll see how this goes. So I just want like a third of this thing, or a fourth of it. Actually, yeah, I think I said a fourth. Whatever. Less today, more tomorrow. Sandwich is done. Wow. I saved it. Put some avocado on said sandwich. More. Oh. That probably looks good. Now we eat. Everybody went down to the work cafeteria, so I am gonna eat the lunch that I brought now. It's about 11:30. That cup of coffee that I just had was Taster's Choice decaf water and a tablespoon, actually it was more like a tablespoon and a half today, of Coffee Mate coffee creamer powder. And now it's time to eat lunch. I put my berries on a little piece of wax paper, knowing I would want to remove them to heat this up. And I can eat them while I stand here and wait for my food to microwave. Definitely gonna have a big glass of water with this. I'm saving the best for last. Saving the best for last. I'm home from work, but I have to leave to pick up my kid from basketball practice here in a few minutes. I need a little snack before I go, so I'm going to have 2 Vasa crackers, and I have a little piece of salmon that I meal prepped the other day. I thought it was all gone, but I found a piece, and I'm gonna put a little bit of cream cheese on there, and that's gonna be my little snack, and I'll probably have like a Diet Dr. Pepper if I can find one. All right, so I'm gonna start with 2 pieces of Vasa crisp light rye bread. 2 pieces has 40 calories. I'm going to divide 1 piece of Laughing Cow light cheese at 30 calories. The 1 piece of salmon from the other day. This is probably like 3 ounces. Gonna break it in half. I heated this up in the microwave. Super quick filling little snack. Got Dr. Pepper on the road. This is my 3rd handful of Fritos barbecue chili cheese. Handful looks like that. No more. That was pretty good. No more. For dinner tonight, I'm gonna have something super simple and very satisfying. And I'm gonna start with one of my Joseph's lavash wraps that you'll see me working with all the time. 1 wrap has 120 calories. I get them at Kroger. First, I'm gonna put on that some refried beans, just regular. Half a cup is 120 calories. So I've measured out a half a cup. I had a 1/4 cup measure, so there's a half cup there total. I'm gonna put that on there. I found 2 lonely cherry tomatoes in the fridge. So the cherry tomatoes are gonna go on there. This is 2 of them diced up. I have 1/8 of a cup of cheddar cheese. It's a 1/4 cup measurement, but it's only halfway full. So just take the calorie count for whatever cheese you're using and go sparingly. I have a little bit of onion that I've pre-diced up. I'm gonna put that on there. Just as much as you like, onions are free. I've been working on this bag of lettuce forever. I got this at GFS. I thought it would be bad a couple days ago, but it's still usable, so I'm gonna put a bunch of lettuce on there. I'm gonna pour out a little bit of salsa. This salsa is 10 calories for 2 tablespoons. I probably will only use 1 tablespoon because I'm putting some other ingredients on there that are moist. I'm gonna put a little bit of this green salsa, and 1 tablespoon says 0 calories. I hope that's not too hot. And that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm not a professional burrito wrapper. I'm just making it where I can eat it, okay? No judgment. Oh shoot, I forgot the sour cream. That's the best part. Okay, we're gonna unwrap. We are deconstructing our burrito. Sour cream. I use the Daisy Light sour cream at 2 tablespoons, has 35 calories. I probably will squeeze 2 tablespoons out of here. Oh, it looks terrible now, but it's gonna taste so good. All right, now we're going to re-wrap. Just wrap the best you know how. I was never shown this as a kid, so maybe I should watch a YouTube video on how to wrap a burrito. Oh man, we have a problem. That's okay, so that is the burrito, and with that, I'm gonna put my favorite black bean chips. These are the Food Should Taste Good brand. I'm only gonna use 5. 10 chips has 130 calories, but I'm gonna count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 3 3/4, 4, 5. Okay, I'm pretty confident with that measurement. And to those 5 chips, I'm gonna add some queso. And the queso coming in at 2 tablespoons has 60 calories, and I'm definitely gonna have 2 tablespoons. You think I lose weight eating stuff like this? I do. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. And that is a super quick and healthy dinner. Gosh darn it. And there we have dinner, and this is gonna fill me up, I'm sure. Also gonna have a glass of ice water with it. Amazing. So much flavor. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this. I'm definitely gonna finish those black bean chips. I do love queso. Queso's so good. Guilt-free. Not wasting all that queso. I cannot finish this. I'm so full, so I ate like 2/3 of it. I'm done. Just drink more water though. For my final consumption of the night, I will be drinking my Metamucil. This gives extra fiber and it's sugar-free, appetite control, heart healthy. I find that when I take this, I don't need a bedtime snack. So 2 teaspoons has 30 calories. I always do 3 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon. This will be my final thing for the night. Please like and subscribe if you liked my videos, and stay tuned for the next one. Good night.
Not your baby girl. I'm gonna